My betalicious person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video take reach you. I welcome you to Favors Blog, and we bring you Open Heavens Daily Devotional in Pidgin English for Tuesday, will be the 24th day of September 2024. Our topic for today now, Help Meet Indeed, Part 2. And our Bible reading, it come from inside the book of Proverbs chapter 31, from verse 10 go reach 31. We go read them together. Who go fit find wife wey get good character? Good wife better pass good. A husband go trust am because the wife go support am for everything when he dey do. Na only good things he go dey bring for your husband every time, and bad things no go join. He dey always do business. E dey make wool and linen cloth. E dey be like sheep for river wey dey carry food from far place. E dey quick wake up for morning to make food for the family, come dey tell the servant wetin dem go do. Na only e dey use thread and needle take sew im own cloth. E dey always dey give things to poor people and to those wey no get at all. E no dey worry if cold dey because im family get cloth wey go make dem warm. Na im dey make im own bedsheet, and na im dey wear fine cloth wey dem make with purple linen. People know im husband well well and dey respect am because e dey sit down with the other elders dey take decision. E dey make cloth and belt come dey sell give traders. E dey strong, e dey respect am, and e no dey fear wetin go happen for future. E dey talk with better sense and wisdom full im mouth. E always dey busy and e dey make sure say everything go well for im family. Im children value am and dem dey thank am, and im husband dey always praise am. Im husband go say, many women na good wives to their husband, but you better pass all of them. God dey deceive people and beauty dey disappear, but make people praise woman wey dey honor and fear God. Make una reward am for everything wey e dey do, and everybody must praise am for the town. Our memory verse for today, e dey come from inside Proverbs chapter 12 verse 4. Proverbs chapter 12 verse 4. Make we read them together. Good wife dey bring joy and pride to your husband, but wife wey dey bring shame for your husband be like disease for a bone. Make we enter the main message for today. Abeg, don't forget to like this video, share the video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and also drop your comments. Today I wan conclude my teaching on wetin e mean to be true helpmeet. Many wives dey wey dey parade themselves as helpmeets for their husband, but dem no be helpmeet. As a wife, if you hide your money to say my money na my money and my husband money na our money, you no be helpmeet. To help somebody, you go dey willing to sacrifice your resources. You no go fit claim say you dey help person when you no dey meet the need wey you go fit easily afford. Yes, na husband responsibility to take care of the home, but anytime wey you fit afford am, e go dey very helpful for you to say, no worry about this thing, I don take care of am. To help person mean say you dey carry body comot for the person body, and you no dey look the person make only dey carry the burden alone. As helpmeet, you must dey fully involved for wetin your husband dey do. You go dey there for am for the areas when he need help, especially anytime when he ask you for the help. You no go fit be helpmeet if you no dey submit. If you no dey submissive, you no fit be helpmeet. If you wan help person with something, and the person go tell you how you go take help am. When the person give you instruction, your answer go be yes darling. If you say no, you clearly no wan help the person, e no come for your mind to help am. But if you wan suggest better idea, your answer go be, how about if we do am this way? Instead of you to say no. If you dey truly interested for inside your husband success, you go do everything wey you fit do to take help am. When I carry my family go Redemption City, e no dey convenient for my wife at all. We move from city to the middle of a forest, and the house wey we move enter that time, no window. Dis na where the Open Heavens International Center dey today. Not only say my wife follow me move enter dis kain jaga place wey be say dey very inconvenient for her, but she come begin dey do very tedious rural evangelism for all the surrounding villages. She gather one small team wey go help her. They go travel far place, go many villages wey dey around. They go dey preach the gospel. Some people no wan even hear about Jesus Christ. Some go say abeg, they don already dey go big church. They no need for them to leave the church wey dem dey go. Their church after all dey very big. But she no give up. She still continue, and she dey able to establish many of the parishes wey we get around the Redemption City, even all the way to Ibafo, wey dey 20 kilometers away. She be perfect example of helpmeet, one wey dey involved and wey dey do everything within her power to make sure say she see her husband succeed. Wetin be our reflection for today? Our reflection today na to wives. You be really your husband helpmeet? Think about am. You dey really dey help your husband? Na here we take come to the end of today's message. Don't forget say the topic wey we consider today na helpmeet indeed part 2. And we take this message from inside the Open Heavens Daily Devotional, wey be book wey Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God worldwide, write. And on top here, Favours blog, now we take bring you the message. We want to thank all our Ogbonge subscribers. Thank you when you don't subscribe to this channel. I bet if you never subscribe, like this video, subscribe to this channel, share the video, drop your comment, turn on notification bell. Just do everything to make sure say when we drop video like this, you could be one of the first persons to see them. And Sanctuary of God's Love Mission, aka Champions Chapel, they invite you to Jubilee Life Celebration 2024. The theme for this program na a mighty Pentecost. The date na Monday 23rd to Sunday 29th of September 2024. The time na 4 p.m. daily and 8 a.m. on Sunday morning. Reverend Dr. John Eze and Pastor Mrs. Hope Eze and other anointed ministers of God now be your host for this program. If you dey within the city of Warri, the venue na 44 to 46 Ojugo Street off Giwa Amu Road, Warri, Delta State. Don't forget to attend this program if you dey within Warri and Evans, and don't forget to invite your friends to join you attend the program as well. Thank you when you take watch this video to the very end. Until we come your way with another video, my better person, make it better for you.